Guys, just when you're doing the edging, there's a couple of ways you can do the edging. One, you can use a tape measure and measure each section of the wall, mark it on your tile, and then go from there. Otherwise, there's a bit of an easier way of doing it, and I like this way because you can get an accurate reading on the wall. Or you don't need geometry to sort it out against the wall with the measurements and things like that. So the easier way of doing this is one, grab one tile, make sure you line it up on this tile here so it overlaps the one before it. Okay, make sure you get it straight. I'd like to make sure it's all good lined up like that. Now, then what you do is you get your tile, so you make sure the tile is facing the right way, of course, because you need to make sure when you cut it, you've got the pattern the correct way too. Okay, so then what you do, line that up there against the wall like that. Make sure you've got enough space. Now, the good thing about this is on the wall, I've got these little tabs on this side, which is great because that leaves me about a 5 to 10 mil spacing for expansion, which I like. So I'm going to use that to make it up. On the other side, you've got to allow that because it's flat. Okay, you'll have a flat edge on that side and the tab edge on this side of the garage. Okay, so what you do is you mark that a line across the back there like that. Okay. Then line up the wall on that edge there, so you leave yourself enough room, and then you line up along that line. Okay, and then all you just do is draw a line along this edge here. Okay, and then come across to the other side and you put your tile against this side here. Line it up with that edge that you've already done coming upwards, okay? And then all you just do is mark that across there like that. So what you'll end up with, like this one is a bit of an L shape. Okay, so I'm going to cut that and I'll be back. I've just gone outside, I've cut that. So I've got my straight edge here and my other straight edge here, which will match up with the pattern of the tile, and this edge will go on the wall. So basically, once you've got all that, it's quite easy. You just put that into position like that, and voila, you've got a fitted tile, hugs the wall. There's not too much bloody thinking about it. It's just pretty much straightforward. So I'll probably do a bit of a short on this as well and put that up, so when we do the tiles yourself, you can see what I'm doing and what I've done to make life easier.
Welcome to the Aussie Garage. Let's ride. We in the shed where the wrenches turn. Holland's purr and the tires burn. Fords on slicks looking clean and mean. Reppin' that raw Australian scene. From street to show, from stock to mod. We chat with the folks who treat cars like gods. No showroom shine if it